Hello everyone. In this demonstration, we will see how we can enable SAP Integration Suite on SAP BTP or Business Technology Platform. So we will see the whole setup being done, from scratch. So let's get on to this. Go to the URL account.hana.ondemand.com, and now we will sign in. If you have not registered to SAP BTP, or Business Technology Platform, you can refer to the previous video on how to create your trial account on BTP, and then you can come back to this. So we will click on sign in. Now we need to enter our email address or P-user ID followed by the password. So I'll enter the credentials, click on login, accept the terms and condition. So click on this button accept. So you come to the landing page of your global account. So click on trial home. You come to the welcome BTP page. On this page, what we will do here is we will click on enter your trial account. We will go to the trial account, and there we will enable our integration suite. Click on this pop-up. Do not show it this again. Click on close. Now I am on the global account. Now I'll move to my sub account. So trial is my sub account which has been created for me. Once I come to my sub account, on the left hand side under services, I'll go to service marketplace. Under the search option, search for integration suite. Come to integration suite by clicking on it. Once I come to integration suite, it shows me the application plans. I do not have this go to application enabled. So what I will do here is I'll click on create. On this pop-up window, I don't need to make any selections. Just go with the service as integration suite, plan as trial. Click on create. So you will get the message that the subscription has been submitted, the subscription request has been submitted. You can check the status after a few minutes. So I'll close this pop-up for now. I'll show you where to go. Now you can come to instances and subscriptions. Now under subscriptions we have integration suite, and we see the option as subscribe. To go further, what I will do here is I'll duplicate this tab. Let me duplicate this. Under the second tab that I have opened, I'll go to security. Under security, I'll go to trust configuration. Select default identity provider. Now we need to enter our email address. Not sure why the page is not showing up. Let me refresh this. Something to do with the UI. So what we will go ahead. We'll enter the email address that we have. So now we need to click on show assignment. So you can see that we already have this role collection integration provisioner auto. Now we already have the rules required for accessing the integration suite which is there. Now this is an auto role. So where is the other role that we there must be a role. So as you subscribe to one of the services, or activate one of the services on business technology platform, then the rules gets generated, the relevant rules also gets generated. So you have to assign the rule to the relevant groups or users, respectively, for them to access that particular service. So you need to, so if you don't have a role assigned or a role collection assigned, you need to click on assign role collection. Here you will have all the roles. So I'm searching for integration. Yep. So I have the integration provisioner role, which is there for integration suite. Okay. So I select this one and click on assign role collection. Okay. Now that I have assigned the role, now I can come here to the first tab. Now I can click on this three dots and say go to application. So on SAP Integration Suite, none of the capabilities are enabled by default. You have to add those capabilities. Okay. So we'll quickly go ahead and add the capabilities that we want. Okay. So click on this button, add capabilities. On integration suite, it is important that we understand what are the different capabilities which are available. Okay, so first being your integration tool or platform, which is known as cloud integration. Second is your SAP API management is also part of it. Third being the open connectors, and fourth is your SAP integration advisor. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll select all this. Click next. I'm not subscribing to the messaging queues. I'm just configuring cloud integration. I'll say next. If you want, you can always subscribe to messaging queues. API management. I'm also not enabling the Business Hub Enterprise. If you want, you can always do it. And I click on activate. So once you click on activate, you will find all these four components, okay, being created. Okay, so there's a progress status. If you go to the relevant tabs, okay, you will find the progress status as well as the progress, okay, in terms of percentage, how much it has been created, how much it has been completed. So you have to spend some time here. It takes around 20 not less than 20 minutes for all this to be created. Okay, in case this creation or this wizard fails, okay, you will have a retry button. Okay, so you need to retry that. Okay, you need to activate the capabilities again. Okay, you will have the activate button enabled for you. Okay, so we'll wait for some time and then come back to this. So once you find all the capabilities are active, okay, you will have URLs generated for each one of them. Okay, so you cannot go to any one of this URL as of now because you do not have the rules. Okay, which are required for accessing this particular services. Okay, so what we will do, we will go back to the tab that we have opened here and click on show assignment again. Click on assign role collection. Now you will find here a lot of rules which have been generated. Okay, you will find a lot of rules. Okay, so for integration, let me find. Okay, so I think you have to refresh this. Let me refresh this. The screen is old. Let this refresh. Enter your email address, click on show assignment. Now click on assign role collection. Okay, now you can see all the roles are being added. Okay, so which roles are being added? So if I show you, okay, so you will have all the integration related roles. Okay, so if you want to be an integration developer, okay, you can assign an integration developer role. Okay, now if you want an API role, okay, so I'll add a administrator. Okay, um, what else? Open connector roles. Okay, so you will have open connector role as well. Okay, I'll assign this role collections. Once you assign, you will be able to access all the services here. Now I come back here, I click on the service cloud integration. So once CPI or cloud integration or integration suite is activated and the roles are assigned to you, the relevant roles has to be assigned to you more importantly. Once that is done, then you will be able to use the service. So you can see cloud integration is up and running. I'll refresh this as this has expired. So you can come here, you can go to the discover tab, you can go to the design tab, you can create your own workspace. Okay, the package you can create, and then you can create your own artifacts there. Okay, you can monitor them at the same time, and you can also do the settings. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this demonstration. Okay, so what we did is we activated integration suite on business technology platform, assigned the roles which were required for these services, and then we are good to use this. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching this video.